Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you'll search about Google Wallet and we click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.